So in the last session, we stopped at insert. Am I right? So list we are understood. What is a list? Please revise once. So a multiple. What are the data structure, please? What is an exactly data structure? A multiple values store multiple items in a single variable is nothing but what? Data structure. So, but we are understood a list is a built built-in data type using storing multiple items in a single variable. So a list is in a order. Changeable means what? We can able to mutable. After creating list also we can able to change. Okay. So these are all the for features: order, mutable, allow duplications. Okay. So we can able to store different types of variables like int, float, boolean, whatever. So how to create? Yeah, we understood. So we stopped where exactly insert. Okay. We have here in this list, the list here is, so totally how many elements guys please here? 5 elements, but indexing what exactly start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an exactly indexing. And let it be print this. This is what exactly the result. But in a second place, in a second index, okay, I want to insert my AI Pro. Please be execute. Let it be print here. See here. After means this is a first in zero index, second first index. On a second place, it is inserted a pro means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Okay. But sir, that is what exactly that. But what about extend? Extend means all of you, please. So in the before we are added what exactly a nested append means what? A nested list we can able to add it. Sorry. A nested list we can able to add it. But at extend means what? Even if you are declaring in list, okay? So if you are trying to add end of the list, it will be added as a elements only. It is not a list. That is the difference between append and extend. Got it? It is added as elements, but not as a list. That is what exactly extend. But what about operations in list? Which are all exactly? We have a different types of operations. Operation means length, sum. Okay, for example, in this list, we have, again, here is what exactly? 5 elements. 1, 2, 3. But I want to sum of these are all elements. Yeah, I can. I can sum. What is that? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Totally how much gas please? It will be 15. The total sum of this we calling as what? Operations. We can do subtraction also. Maybe if you want to remove, yes, we can. So one of the element I want to remove. But whenever pop, pop means what? By default, it will be remove last element from the list. Last element from the list. Is it last element is what exactly? 5. But it is a remove or not? Tell me. Yes. But what is the count in this list? Count of 2 means, so 2 how many times we have in the list? How many times we have in the list? How many times? The value of 2, the element of value of 2, how many times we have available in the list? Only once. So for example, 2 is available 5 times. Definitely we can able to identify. So how many times this list has 2, number 2? Length. Length means what? How many? 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. So total length is what? 4 length. So this is what exactly list. So any questions, guys, please, up to this point? Yeah, Sunny. Yeah. Is it clear, all of you? List is very clear, am I right? Yeah, let us go for set. Set. A set is a built-in data structure used for storing collection of unique, unordered elements. That is what exactly difference. From list to set, what are the major difference, guys, please? It is a unique. We can't able to, we can't able to provide, we can't able to insert a duplicate values. Duplicate elements it can't be. And unorder, unorder, unorder means what? Items does not have fixed position. Once if it is inside the data, same position, we can't able to get the same element. It may differ. No indexing like list. It is not indexing. That is a major difference between two important things you need to remember. From list to set, what are the first one, guys, please? It is a unique. We can't able to provide, we can't able to insert duplicate values, duplicate elements. And order is not preserved. Each value appear only once, but not be duplicate. We can mutable, yes. So what are the key features? It is not, order is not preserved. So no duplication. Yeah, mutable means what? We can able to change. After creating set also, we can able to change. We can able to change the values. So this is what exactly set. Okay. When you are, when you are talking about set, talking about set. So set is what exactly? The round brackets. Open with round brackets. Close with what? Round brackets. But list is what exactly? Curly braces. Sorry, braces on. Got it very clearly? Please observe syntactical level. List is, list is, list is bracket, open bracket, close bracket. But set is, you can identify whether it is set or list or dictionary or tuple. We can able to come to know by helping of the syntax only. As of right now, we created a set is an empty. Round bracket, open round bracket, close round bracket is a set. So this set is, I'm gonna be assigning into the my variable name called my set. Let it be print. Let it be print. So let it be print. Set is empty. But what is the class, guys, please? It is a type is set. Type is set. So set. Okay. So please be declare here. So we have declare in the set. Declare the set here. And we can able to print the set. Here is what exactly 1, 2, 3. So we can able to provide duplicate here. Am I right? As we discuss, can we able to allow duplication here? No, we can't. Can we able to provide duplication? No, we can't. So here is a duplication is there. So the value, the element, two values are a same number. But once if it is create this set, once if it is create this set, okay, if you print, so the duplicate value is removed. The duplicate value is removed. Got it. And once if it is same way, here is what exactly ML, AL, DS, ML. So here is ML how many times, guys, please? 2 times. But it is eliminated or not, tell me. The duplicate value is eliminated or not. And moreover, order is not preserved. Order is not preserved. First what exactly? ML. But ML is lost. Either first or last. But first comes on AI, last comes under DS. Because of, so duplicates are removed and moreover, order is not preserved And moreover, it is a mutable. We can add to the set at any point of time. After creating of set, we can add also. So, but appending in where exactly? In anywhere in any indexing. Not, it is not following indexing. It is not preserving indexing. That means what? Add in the between anywhere else. So this is the way we can able to create a set. Am I right? Clear all of you? Any questions? I'll repeat again some one correction in my speech. So list is syntactically open braces, close braces, but set is what? Curly braces. That is my correcting myself. Set is open braces, close braces. When you seeing open braces, close braces, defaultly it will be considered as what? Set. If it is only braces, that is a list. If it is a curly braces, that is a set. Clear all of you? Any questions, please? Any clarification needed up to this point? Is up to this point everybody is good? Clear?
Yeah, hi Maha. I have
Please,
one question.
please.
Yeah, yeah. In Java, we have a generics, right? To store one type of data into list or sets. Is there any option in here?
Can you come again, please, Aparna?
Yeah. Generics. Like we are restricting one data type to store in
That will,
list.
we are going to be discussing in Pydantic. Yeah, we have a concept called Pydantic. We'll discuss those
Oh,
Pydantic also. Okay, in the class we
okay.
have, in class object we providing multiple variables. Okay, but string we
Okay.
provided, but instead of that, it automatically, if we provide a number, it is allowed, but so by default, but it's basic class. But if it is go for Pydantic class, definitely we can able to restrict a particular type also. Yeah, we'll discuss.
Okay.
We'll
Okay.
discuss in Pydantic class. I will conduct after completing of this NumPy, Pandas, then classes, object, exceptions, then some libraries, Seaborn libraries. Then we go for Pydantic also. Then only we go for algorithms, machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, which are all needed. Not for, so if we discuss all things, it will become a data science course. Okay, this course is for agentic AI. That's what which is needed. So basic, which are all major important algorithm we'll discuss. Then go for a transformer architecture, means algorithm, then go for agents, agentic AI, generative AI also, which are all important, will cover. Then we'll go for agentic. That's what it will take 3.5 3 months course. Okay, so it is very important. Maybe people may ask me, so directly we can start agentic AI. Yeah, we can. Third, these are all we can directly start agentic AI also. There is no issue to complete this course. But when you're facing interview, I seen a lot of interviews also, but the people are struggling to crack the interview because of the fundamentally they're weak. That's what I'm trying to do all this thing. That's what it may board, but please bear with me. So at least to 10 to 20 classes, then we'll slowly weaken. Okay. All of you get bored, I agree, but please bear with me. Okay. Got it, please? All of you. Yeah. Hmm. Fine. Let it be continued. Okay. So set we are understood very clearly. Set we are understand very clearly. Okay. Sir, after creating a set, sir, can we able to retrieve? Can we able to retrieve the set? Yes, zero. If it is set, if it is like that, it is look like what exactly? If it is execute, what will happen? Error. Why? Because there was no indexing. So it is not supporting indexing. Set is not supporting indexing. We got an error. How we are retrieving data or elements from list, the same way we can't do it in set. So let me do it one more exercise. Okay. Let me do it one more exercise. So we're going to be creating two sets. We're creating set one, set two. But what are the difference? The elements are different. Math is different. Sir, I want to from set to set one, what is the difference I want to come to know? By seeing itself, we can able to come to know math. But if it is n number of thousands of elements, then it's very difficult, am I right? I want only difference of elements only. I don't want all. So which is the difference from set to set one of exactly, please. Set to, I'm writing my set to dot, we have a different functions. In even set also, we have these are all the function differences, discard, insertion, subset, pop, remove. These are all the functions we have. Okay. So it's giving very clear function based on use cases. Based on thing, we can able to use these functions. But as of right now, my requirement is what? I want to come to know difference of from set one. Of from set one. What is exactly result? So please be execute one more time. My set two. So what is an exactly? Set is object is no attribute difference. Set 2 is difference from set 1. Okay, let me execute one more time.
Spelling
This
is
it.
wrong.
Please,
Difference
please.
spelling is wrong.
Okay, okay. I given a wrong function, I think so. Please wait. Yeah, the function name is was wrong. That's what. Okay, this is what. Please aware of this. So not only difference, we have a n number of functions. We can use that. We can use based on the requirement. Clear. So for example, let's say one more exercise. One more exercise. So I don't want different, which are all same, which are all same between these two. Between these two, please be execute these two sets also. So insertion update. It's remove element original set from not present in the specific. Means what exactly? What exactly from original set is not present. Original set not present from specific set. Okay. So which are all same only we can able to get it. See, in set 2, we have additionally, we have a math 1, but set 1, we don't have it. Means what? It will remove this and we can able to get a which are all unique. Clear. So this is what exactly said. Please, we have a difference of functions. So please be practice. So as I'm going to be giving an assignment. So please be do it different functions, different use case. Please be review that. We can, so if it is click on it, how to use difference, we can able to come to know. Here is what difference, please. These are all automatically pop up. We can able to get help. So we can please be revise this and please be go to it. Okay. But what about dictionary? Next data structure is what exactly? Dictionary. But what is the difference from list to set? Dictionary is what? The data is key value pair. The data will be key value pair only. Key colon value. The data will be key colon value in a single variable. When it's stored into the dictionary, the data will be key colon value pair. Okay, each item will be key and value. Okay, but key must be unique. Key must be unique. No duplicate allowed in key, but value must be anything. We can value may duplicate, but key must be unique. Yeah, it is mutable. Yes, it is mutable. We can able to add, we can able to change, we can able to remove. Okay. So before 3.7, Python 3.7, Python 7, So it is order is not preserved. Right now, items keeps insertion order. From after 3.7 plus onwards, even order also, it's going to be whatever the order we given, inserting into the one order one, element two, element one, element two, order is also preserved. Okay, fine. So let it be experience this also. So first let us experience first set one more time. See, this is in exactly set. Set how exactly we created. Open curly brace, close curly brace. In between we have a elements. If execute this, so type is what exactly? Set. Whatever the type is set. But so how to declare? How exactly we can able to declare a dictionary? My dictionary. We can able to declare key colon value. This is one element. Age is 25. It is one element. City. Okay. It is also one element. One element. So totally how many elements, guys, please? One, two, three. Totally how many elements, guys, please? Three elements. This is the way we can able to declare. So it is open braces, close curly braces, and the value, the elements, whatever are data, we are inserting into the key colon value. Okay. Sir, if you want to print the particular element, if you give the key, we can able to get the value. So we can, one second. Let me execute one more time. Print this CRO. We can change this into the Pune also. We can change, am I right? After creating also Pune. Yeah. So once if it is in execute, they change the value. It is immutable. Yes, Pune will be. So key colon value, data, and after creating also mutable. We can change also. We can change also. So if you want to, if you want to print, yes, we can able to print only key values. Key values only. So by default, my variable, if it is not extensions, if it is not extension anything, we want to print only the key value, name, age, city. It is a for loop. It is a for loop for key. Any name we can able to key name. So this is what my variable. By default, it will pick up what exactly name and age. But sir, I don't want key, I want only values. So we should be declare that your variable name, colon, value. It iterate the value of a dictionary. Value of dictionary. Maha, 25 age. The city is Pune. Clear all of you? Up to this point. But I want iterate items. The function name call item. Function name call item. If it is item, automatically it will iterate key colon value pair. So I'm going to be writing for key, for key, for key. Just to write down only key in my variable item, and then so please bin execute. Once again, it is not. Yeah, it is will be commit, am I right? We'll get it key colon value as item. Each and every item also we can able to get it. Clear? Understood this. This is the way we can able to handle dictionary. Dictionary. Sir, I want to replace. I want to, I want to, I want to add, sorry, I want to add one more key pair to the my direction, a dictionary. How please? So the key name is what? Country. The name is India. So please be add and try to execute. So additionally, we can able to add country colon India. So we can add. We can add. I want to update my value. What are the key name? Age. Instead of that 25, actually that is the wrong age name which I given. My age is 36. Please, if it is execute, it is an updated. We can update. We can update. I clear all of you understood this. Sir, can we able to create nested dictionary like list which we have experienced? Same. Yes, we can. We can, definitely we can. Sir, here is what exactly. First, create a one directory. This is a separate directory. Name is from date of birth, Priya date of birth, Sneha date of birth. Okay, this is one of the directory. This directory, sorry, this dictionary, I want to inserting into my dictionary as a value. So here is a key name, but here is what exactly I want to provide. I want to insert this dictionary into my dictionary. If execute is here, here is what I exactly see here. So inside my dictionary, nested dictionary is updated or not. Okay, sir, we declare nested, but I want to get it only Priya year of date, year of birth, date of year of birth. How exactly? So please be print your dictionary name, dictionary inside dictionary name, name, name is nothing but what exactly the first first dictionary name key value, sorry key name. Then inside nested dictionary, what are the name which we want to give? Please, maybe Priya. If we give Priya, this is for first main dictionary. It is a nested dictionary name key value. Once if it is an execute, yeah, so we can able to get an 1998, 99, 1995. Please clear. So this is what exactly handle. Up to this point, we have discussed list. We have discussed list. We have discussed set. We have discussed dictionary. We have discussed and tuple. One more data. One more data structure is tuple. So what is an exactly tuple? It is also collection of store of item. But what is that? What exactly it is? Keeps their position. Keeps their position. It is not like set. Keep set is not positioning. Order is not preserved and mutable. But what exactly tuple? Order is their preserved position. Keep item keep their position and immutable. Once if it is declare tuple, okay, we can't able to change the values. We can't able to change, but allow duplicates. But set is not allow duplicates. So that is the difference. Please keep in while you practice. So please keep on practice. You can able to understand the data structure types and what are the difference also please keep in your mind. Okay. So but let us do understand this tuple one second. How exactly we can able to declare tuple? So tuple, this is a way we can declare. Okay, this is what exactly tuple. The type is what exactly tuple. But how to declare what is syntactically? It is round braces, open round braces, close round braces. It is a tuple. Inside this tuple, we're declaring these are all elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If execute this, we can able to declare. So syntactically, four differences. Open brace, close braces is nothing but list. Braces means what set. Braces with key colon value dictionary. Round braces is nothing but what tuple. That syntactically we can able to remember, we can able to identify by one look itself. We can able to identify. Fine. But how exactly we can? This is what we are declaring. Let me declare my tuple. My tuple is equal to. So we can able to declare. We can able to declare numbers type, integer type, float type, boolean type. Any type of data we can able to. Any type of data we can able to declare. So once if it is declare, and if you want to print, please print my tuple. Please be in execute. Here is the tuple. We have this result. Once if it is tuple result, okay. So what exactly? So we can let it be execute this tuple also. I'm changing this. So once if it is in execute, what happened? Please, what are the tuple? Anybody? Tuple means what? Please, anybody? Immutable, am I right? Immutable means what? Means what? So after declaring any one of element, we can't change. For example, instead of none, I want to change it to the true. It is not possible. Instead of zero, in between before zero, I want to add, sorry, before one, I want to add zero. It is not possible. An existing tuple, it is not possible to add or remove modification. Add, update, addition, not possible. But so enter tuple, yes. Enter tuple, yes. Means what? This is a variable, it already created. Again, I'm going to be recreating tuple with the new data. That is possible. That is possible. Clear. Understood this. So, but in this, if you want to get indexing, index means what? Retrieval. Two concept. As I said in the last session also, only two action. Either data is going to be insert, then retrieval. These two are major actions we doing anywhere. Anywhere where while you talk about data, only two action: insert, retrieve. Writing a data, reading a data. Even you pen drive also, write the data into the pen drive, read the data. The same thing here also. But after successfully insert the data into the tuple, if you want to retrieval, please print my tuple dot indexing. Instead of Priya, I want to get anybody tell me any suggestion, any maybe Maha. Let us go for with what? Maha. Okay. Please be please be execute this. Which index guess please? Indexing what exactly? In which index? Zero index. It is on a zero index. But let us talk about 1 9 1 9 192. No, it is not. Am I right? What is that? Is there or no? How exactly, please? X is in not tuple. Got it. Must be recent cell. Okay. So please be execute one more time. Okay. So we need to declare. One second. Once again, please be print one more time. Print Okay. It is written unoccurrence reference. Okay.
Seems to 192 is integer, not string.
Yeah, yeah. It is a integer. Yes, true. Okay. So typecasting problem. Okay. So we need to preserve. Previously, student asked me, no, that isn't exactly, but this problem will address in Pydantic. Don't worry. Okay. See here, the position of what exactly? Fine. See, but for example, Priya, then position what exactly to? We can able to come to know. So which data is preserving in which index. But as per tuple, so index is preserved. Keeps there are indexing preserved. Okay. Order is preserved. Please remember, this is what exactly we are working with data structures. Okay. So little bit speed. I didn't discuss a lot more. I didn't do it all I didn't show you all the functions in each and every data set, data structure. So whenever free time, say the remaining options also please be review. Okay, don't worry. So the complete Python course you will be received. I think so. My admins are already sent to you. If it is not, don't worry. Please ping me. I will share with you all the students. Okay, complete Python course. But so this is what exactly data structure. So please ask me. So what is the major difference between list and set? Anybody help me in the chat box? As per discussion, list and set. What are the major difference? Please. What are the major difference? Please. Does not allow duplicates. Okay. What are the difference between? What are the major difference between set and tuple? Set and tuple. What are the major difference? Tuple is immutable, not changeable, and order is preserved, but set is not preserved. Order is not preserved. Clear? Yes. List is order, not unique. Set is on order, unique. But tuple is order and not immutable. Preserved order and as well as order and as well as immutable set. So that is a major difference between. Please be remembered. Please be try to practice. Okay. So this is what exactly data structure. But what next? So we're gonna be discussing about NumPy. Somebody is asking question. Any questions? Yeah. So what is NumPy? Up to this point, what we have understood, please, in basic, in basic, in basic Python programming, how to declare a variable. Am I right? How to declare a variable, a single value. A variable can handle only single value. That we are understand. But from data structure, what we are understand, a single variable can handle multiple values as a one dimension. What exactly? We can able to one variable can handle multiple values in a one dimension. One dimension. But if you talk about NumPy, so NumPy is a multi-dimensional array. And one more advantage is what exactly? It is a fast. A specific data structure, whatever we are handling, it is very, very speed. Sir, what is a NumPy? What is an exactly NumPy? What is an exactly NumPy? NumPy is short for numerical Python. Powerful open source numerical computer. We can handle the numbers, whatever the data, we can handle very speed. The core build blocks of data science where you are going to be using in data science, machine learning, generative AI, agentic AI, we're going to be using for handling data. What exactly we can able to does by NumPy? By using NumPy, we can able to do multi-dimension. So by using data structure, list, set, tuple, dictionary, we can able to handle di- single dimension. But by using array, multi-dimensional arrays. So we can able to do mathematical operations very fast. Performance calculation, addition, multiplications. These are all statistics. Okay, much faster than basic plain Python. Instead of plain Python, if you go for NumPy library, it is very fast. Metric operations, dot productions, random number generation, simulations, and machine learning. These are all the places NumPy play a crucial role. So why important? Speed. It is a very speed. It runs much faster than regular Python loops for loop while loop, Then rather than that, it is very, very, very fast. So we are maybe handling data in vector database, embedding those places. NumPy is very, very important. Sine, cosine, similarities. The formula, no, we're gonna be learning. Don't worry, I will teach you. Supporting backend computation when you need it. Okay. So anyway, let us experience. Sir, can we able to use directly like list, tuple? No, it is not directly. We need to install these libraries. Sir, how to install libraries first? So as we in the beginning of when we are setting, when it was set environment variables, environment. So I have already given dot a list of dot txt file in that. So we have to declare number. The bunch of packages means libraries we can install in a single shot by using requirement.exe file through environment. That is we have experience. But sir, can we able to do individually? Yes, we can. We can install individually also. So how exactly we can? So by using pip. Pip is a command. Pip, either pip or conda, both packages managers, either be pip or conda also we can able to use it. Conda is for Anaconda, pip is for Python. If you are installing only Python, so pip can able to install, but conda we can't. But anyway, let us go for pip install. Install NumPy. Okay, which package? So same command is same. Pip install which package? Maybe NumPy, Pandas. Okay, matplot. Okay, which library you want? Please be select either pydantic, whatever maybe. Okay, any library. Please be execute automatically. It will be installed the particular library that NumPy. Then only we can use this. Gonna be adding into the R environment in kernel install. Then we can. Instead of installing individually, better I'm recommend always go for so requirement.txt file only because of this, it's gonna be moving into the production also. So whatever, one more important point, sir, what we are using this Jupyter is only for your classroom in the environment only. The Jupyter IPv kernel, what we have installed for every environment, it is not in production environment. Okay. So whatever doing, this is the way it is not in production. So we have to handle py file, .py files in production. Understood very clearly. Yeah, let it be complete this. Once if it is done installation, then we can able to import that, and we're gonna be giving alias name. Through alias name we can able to use NumPy. Yeah, it is successful install NumPy in this environment. What is environment? VENV. Sir, this installation is going to be happen only for once? Yes or no? Yes. Installation only once per environment. Per environment. I repeat again. So this libraries has to install each and every environment. Okay. Please aware of this also. So this installation is successful. Once if it is done, then we're gonna be creating alias name. So every time we are not declaring NumPy. That's what NP stands for. What alias name is what? NP. Here onwards we're calling NP. NP. Sir, how we are declaring, for example, let's say my array, my array, my array. How we declare it? NP, NP is alias name. Under NP, we have one second dot. These are all options we have. These are all the functions. We can go for indexing, array, anything. But today let us go for with what? Array. And let us print array. What's going to be happen? Let's say. Did I declare anything? No. Just a declaration, no elements. I didn't pass any elements here. But if you pass any elements, it is an empty. Okay. What is please read the error message. Error message what exactly? Stop is specified. Required specified. Element should be specified. Means directly we can able to declare elements, or else through list also we can pass here. So let it be create my list. So I created my list. I'm passing my list here. My list. Okay, one second, one second. I can pass here my list. Just to be an execute. One second. Hmm. Okay. Print my list first. Hmm. What happened? So please bin execute here. Then please bin execute. Everything is perfect, man. One second, one second, one second. Spelling mistake. Okay. Hmm. Got it. So instead of array, I'm giving range. That is also we have an option. Fine. Clear. So what is an exactly type? What is an exactly type we have? I want to come to know print. I want to come to know print type of my array. So please be in execute. So NumPy array. Sir, I want to see this shape. This array, my array, whatever we have declared, the shape of this array. Shape of this array. So as we discuss, array, NumPy array is a multi dimensions. Multi dimensions. Am I right? Multi-dimension. So here is two dimension. In first dimension, how many elements we have? Five. But it is second element, zero. Nothing. We didn't provide any values in the second dimension. That's what it is. Nothing. 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5 means what? First dimension 5 elements. Second dimension also 5 elements. But it is zero. That means what? Second dimension is zero. So let us experience with this example. We can able to come to know. Let us go for multi-dimensional array. Let me create my set one, my list, sorry, my list one we are creating. So we can able to create it nested also, but let us go for only. So nested list is not required. Let us go for two dimension. Let us go for provide my list three also. My list three also. Totally how many numbers we provided here? Please. Totally how many numbers? Anybody? Total numbers how many? Total how many numbers? 15, am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But so this is a list. We have experienced already list 1, you know very well, list how exactly list. List 2, list 3. Very good. Up to this point is clear. But I want to pass this 3 list into my NumPy array. So let it be create my array. My array, same existing array I want to replace. NP dot array. Okay. I need to pass these three, list one, list two, list three. If execute this, if execute this, if you execute this, so into this my array, into this my array, into this my array, into this my array, this is what. So this is a two dimension. Sir, how exactly we can able to come to know? So blindly remember. So if it is two open braces, close two braces, that means two dimensions. Sir, if it is three open braces, three close braces, that means what? That is a three dimension. Got it? See here. See here. So totally how many rows? Row 1, row 2, row 3. So a list 1 as a row 1, list 2 as a row 2, list 3 as a row 3. But columns how many guys please? Totally 5 column. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. But it is indexing. It is a index level. So index level is nothing but what? Chart for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The same way columns also indexing. How exactly? 0, 1, 2. Please remember, it is what exactly. Let me explain this one more time. How exactly it is storing into this NumPy. Let me explain. How exactly indexing total number, how many guys please? 15. But how exactly indexing what exactly? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How exactly indexing? 0, 1, sorry, 0, 1, 2. Please keep in this mind. It's a clear. This is what exactly two dimension. Two dimension. How we can able to identify? Open curly brace, two curly brace, three, sorry, two close braces. This is what exactly we can able to identify two a dimensional array. Clear? Perfect. All right. So this is what exactly we can able to declare a two-dimensional array. Means what? So initially we are handling variables with a single value. By using data structure multiple values, by using NumPy multiple dimensions. Data we are going to be handling much more, much faster, much calculations in a dimensional wise. Sir, can we able to convert this dimension shape? The shape can able to change. Yes, we can. We can able to change the shape also. But that shape must be matched with these 15 numbers. If it is exceed, we'll get an error. So for example, let's say this is what exactly array. This is a shape. So as of right now, it will come at exactly what is that? How many? How many columns, please? How many rows? Five column, five rows. Am I right? See here. Okay, this is delete this. So three columns, three rows, five columns. Am I right? As per the table, three rows, five columns. Please bin execute this. Try to execute array. It is array. Okay, let us go for one more cell. Let it be open and let it be array dot shape. See, please bin execute the shape. Please bin execute the shape. I given a wrong one. Am I right? I need to give a proper name. So is it array is any variable? No. Please. The array name is what? My array dot shape. Dot shape. Please. So total how many rows? Three rows. How many columns? Five. Sir, can we able to change this five rows into three columns? Yes, we can. We can reshape. We can reshape. But only one condition, that element must be matched. Sir, for example, let's say five rows, four columns. Is it possible? Five into four, how much? 20, am I right? But is the 20 elements we have here? No. We'll get an error. Can't be reshaped. Array size 15 into shape. It can't be because of the elements are 15. Please. Got it? So this is the way we can declare. So many things we have going to be discussing in NumPy. So a lot of how to handle the data in NumPy. We're going to be today just we are introduction, just for only for declaration. But how to use NumPy, we'll discuss in tomorrow's session.